Welcome to a different kind of video. For the month of July, I decided to carry out a little bit of an experiment just to see if I could attain crazy six-pack abs from training them every day. So I trained them every day for the month of July. I missed 2 days because we were in Dublin, but you know, life. I did some very simple workouts, which you'll see coming up in the video. They can be done at home or in the gym. The exercise I did was to target every part of your abs. So we have the main ab muscles here running down the front, which gives you your lovely six-pack. Then at the side brings your waist in here. So we targeted here, here, and then finally, and should not be overlooked, your core muscles. These are the muscles that are in underneath the aesthetic muscles. They're the ones that pull you in and give you that nice tight waist. And for ladies and men, but mostly the ladies, the core muscles are so important. They give you good posture and they help with stuff down there. You need it strong, you need it tight. Yes, I said it. And I have 3 different exercises to target each area of the abdominals. Now, I did these exercises every day, as I said. I did 4 sets of these exercises in a circuit. Now you'll see some footage of my transformation over the 30 days. I recorded my waistline and my abdominal area every day for the month. And of course, I have some of the exercises coming up now.
Everybody put them drinks up, put them up. There's some left, you better drink up. Drink it on X. Oh, you wanna know why? Watch, cause we all gon' bounce. Now the sun going down. Don't save money cause we go all out. I know I'm gon' flex. Pull it back it on. We all gon' bounce. Now the sun going down. Don't save money cause we go all out. I know I'm gon' flex. Pull it back it on X. Yeah, back it on X like a biggie. Money, more problems, but I still make a million. I get a million out the bank, spend it on the drain, get the shots, go ahead, get tips. Keep it real, roll back the seat. Hold tight when you ride with me. Hold tight, watch out. Yeah, we might get off the street. Go from left to the right, hit the curb like
So I am 7 days into my ab experiment and I thought I'd update you guys. So I've been doing some at-home workouts and some workouts in the gym, but I do hit up abs every day. And it's a combination of where it's most convenient for me to do my ab workout. So if I'm not going into the gym or I'm at home and I have more free time at home, I'll do it then. If I find that I've got excess time in the gym after my workout, I do it then. But yes, I just mix it up between the two. And
never roll alone, top down, heads out, bad bitch on the corner star. Why she over there? Pour the drinks that don't stop. Make it fucking rain for the girls who don't drop. Now we might just rage again. Get the shots in the Mary Jane, it's that stage again. Cause we go all night and we just don't sleep. No lifeguard, but we're going in deep. Let me see them hands now, where's my G's? And this shut down, you know me, she know me, I know you, I know we. Cause we all gon' bounce, now the sun going down. Don't save money cause we go all out. I know I'm gon' flex, pour it back it on. We all gon' bounce, now the sun going down. Don't save money cause we go all out. I know I'm gon' flex, pour it back it on X.
I am 2 weeks into my 30-day challenge. I'm halfway there. Today is the 15th of July and I just thought I would update you on how I'm finding it. I am training my abs every day, mostly at home. I do cardio and then I follow that with my abs. I'm keeping it really simple and I'm just going to take you through the exercises that I've been doing daily at home right now. Setup is pretty basic. I have a yoga mat and I have this 5 kg weighted ball that I use for my abs. I have been trying to target every part of my tummy. So I start off with some weighted sit-ups for this front region here to get those 6-packs going. I then follow it with some rotations which target the obliques here. And then finally I will do some simple bend knees in to straight out. Now this will target that lower ab region and the core, that stabilizes the core, which is really important to pull the abdominals and the stomach muscles from the inside out. So I'll just quickly take you through my little ab routine. So we have our weighted ball here.
Next.
Then straight into the weighted rotation. And then we go into our core stabilization exercise.
Motherfucking plane ride, catch me doing Molly and a savage at the same time, drinking on X. I'm a crawling through this weed pile. How you keep on doing this? Welcome to my lifestyle.
These are just some simple ab exercises that you can do at home on a daily, and you can see results as they start to firm up and target every part of the abdominals.
I'm a rider like a freeway. When you bring a friend, you know we turn into a three-way. This a fucking way of life, you know I do it my way. Cause we ain't no fake ass bitch, cause we all gon' bounce. Get me higher than a motherfucking plane ride. Catch me doing Molly and a side bitch at the same time, drinking on X. I'm a crawling through this weed pile. How you keep on doing this? Welcome to my lifestyle. Fuck another bitch and I'm a rider like a freeway. When you bring a friend, you know we turn into a three-way. This a fucking way of life, you know I do it my way. Cause we ain't no fake ass bitch, cause we all gon' bounce. Now the sun going down. Don't say money cause we go all out. Say money. I know I'm gon' flex for it back. I'm a crawling through this weed pile. How you keep on doing this? Welcome to my lifestyle. Fuck another bitch and I'm a rider like a freeway. When you bring a friend, you know we turn into a three-way. This a fucking way of life, you know I do it my way. Cause we ain't no fake ass bitch, cause we all gon' bounce. Get me higher than a motherfucking plane ride. Catch me doing Molly and a side bitch at the same time, drinking on X. I'm a crawling through this weed pile. How you keep on doing this? Welcome to my lifestyle. Fuck another bitch and I'm a rider like a freeway. When you bring a friend, you know we turn into a three-way. This a fucking way of life, you know I do it my way. Cause we ain't no fake ass bitch, cause we all gon' bounce. Now the sun going down. Don't say money cause we go all out. Say money.
Conclusion, guys, I think it's very important to remember that you cannot target fat loss. No exercise is going to target fat. You can only lose fat through diet. Yes, you can build muscle in a particular area, which in turn can make it look leaner as the muscle will push against the skin and the fat. But unless you have your diet in check, you are not going to have abs. You must have a healthy diet to get abs. So from training my abdominals for 30 days, yes, I did build up more muscle in my abs, and yes, I do feel a lot better in that area. I feel tighter and I feel stronger. So the advantages of training them every day is that, yeah, I'm gonna look a little bit better, but diet is key, guys. Abs are definitely made in the kitchen. I don't think training abs every day is sustainable. I don't think it is healthy to have an obsession with having abs. Now that my month-long trial is over, I will go back to training abs like a normal person 2 or 3 times a week.
Back inside from doing yoga, as you saw in the video. I've been working really hard on my handstands because I want to be able to do like a killer handstand. That's my goal for 2019. I want to talk really quickly about the exercise that I've been doing. So I've been going to the gym probably 3 to 5 times a week. Like sometimes I'm really motivated and I go 5 times. and then some weeks I just go 3 times. But I've been doing probably 45 minutes of just strength training. I have not been walking as much. If you saw my weight loss journey from years ago, I was walking like 15,000 steps a day. Now I'm probably walking 5, maybe 1 day a week I get 10,000 steps. But I haven't really been doing a lot of like steady state cardio. I've just been doing more strength training to get stronger and to firm up and build muscle and all those things. And I've found it just to be a lot better for my mentality. Instead of walking around in circles or trying to like walk 7 miles a day, it just got really boring. And I found that I would have to take a nap every day because I was really tired just from doing a lot of activity and stuff. And now I have more energy to like focus on things that I want to do in my life, things that I want to create, and just having a good life in general that's not focused around walking 7 miles a day. And obviously I do yoga pretty much every day. But yeah, it's just been very relaxed. I haven't been like pushing myself really hard or doing anything crazy. I just wanted to mention that if you guys had any questions. And I'm really more focused right now on just building my strength and flexibility and kind of just seeing where this new routine takes me. Like I said, I don't have any weight loss goals or any goals anymore. I just want to find a routine that I can stick to for the rest of my life and be happy and be strong and be healthy and be all those things. So I'm going to show you guys how to make my favorite little snack. I call them mint truffle balls. Basically all they are is dates, cocoa powder, and peppermint, a little bit of peppermint oil, and they honestly taste like peppermint patties. I have a video where I made them in the past, but I haven't made them for a while, and then I made them for Christmas, and like everyone was freaking out about how good they are because they're amazing. They taste like freaking candy and they're so healthy for you. So I've been eating these a lot as just in between meals if I want something sweet. I think because I eat more of a starch-based diet, I always kind of want to have something small and sweet after a meal for some reason, and I really just love chocolate, and any way that I can get chocolate into my body, I'm good with that. So let's make these. They're really simple to make, they're just kind of messy. So like I said, I'll be leaving the recipe for this in the description box below, but what I do basically is I use really good medjool dates. These are from 7hotdates.com, and they are the wet pack dates, so you don't have to soak them or anything. If you get dry dates from Whole Foods or any other kind of store and they're not super wet, I would recommend soaking them for at least an hour and then draining off all of that water. All we're gonna do is put our dates into our blender, add in our cocoa powder, and then add in our peppermint oil and blend it together. You really only need to blend it for a few seconds. And then I like to make these really small, so I just use a little teaspoon and I scoop out a little bit. They're probably about 1 inch in diameter. You want to put a little bit of cocoa powder into a bowl, and then once you're done rolling them into a ball, all you're going to do is just roll them in the cocoa powder, and then you'll just want to do that until all of your mixture is gone. Once you're done, they'll look like this, and they will be really soft. What I always do is I just put them in the freezer. I leave them in the freezer, and then when I want to eat them, I just take them out. And I just store them in a little glass Pyrex container like this. Hey, Baba. Why are you always in here?